Safe to say that Ontarians 18 and up living in the 114 provincially designated hotspots were eager to get their vaccine once appointments opened up this morning.
We've booked over 130,000 already.
The province is allocating 50% of its vaccine supply to those hotspots.
Do become part of our overall supply, and we do utilize that vaccine to target into our hotspot areas. You know that we have been having those clinics set up in those areas now for some time.
Hamilton has 2 postal codes recognized by the province as hotspots. People living there can book their vaccines online using the provincial portal. Unfortunately, people living in the 5 city-designated hotspots were not able to book their vaccines on the provincial portal. And because the city of Hamilton doesn't have its own online booking system, vaccine seekers had to book the old-fashioned way, by calling a hotline. That task proved tiresome and difficult for many viewers who tweeted at CHCH. One person shared just how many calls were made to the vaccine hotline after receiving a busy signal each time.
Volume on day one, whenever that day one is an overwhelming volume, and it does get better as the days go on.
Dr. Richardson says the city looked at different options to book vaccines, but there were barriers with all of them.
One system that was looked at by some of the partners actually had its data stored in the US, and so for privacy reasons, we couldn't pursue that one any further. Another one, there was no ability to really work with that portal. It was just an open portal. Just as we looked at them, there have been issues that have stood in the way in terms of us moving forward with them, and so we've decided to stick with this system.
The city tells CHCH that while their phone lines are ringing off the hook, there are many vacancies for vaccines, and everyone who wants one will get one. They just have to be patient.